it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Just kidding, it's not Christmas and we're in Seychelles. Woo! Woo! Okay people, we have arrived. We have a boating area and a swimming area. Exciting, huh? Hello gentlemen.
Hey man, yeah.
Hey, cheers.
Welcome to LAUNAY Beach.
Thank you, thank you. Another beautiful beach that I have found, and I'm gonna set my camp here. I don't know how it looks on camera, but I'm definitely tanning. Let's go dive. You know where I want to go? I want to go to those rocks over there.
Hello! Is it filming right now?
Yeah, it's filming. Well, cheers. Use it wisely.
I will try.
Alright. It's a bit cloudy. Unfortunately, I hope I'm not losing my tan. I think actually the scenery looks more beautiful because of the clouds. It's just a nice sight to look at. English is not my first language, so I cannot use just nice all the time. This is nice, that is nice, blah blah blah. No. I have to use something more exquisite. Amazing. Seychelles is just perfect, flawless. Help me with some adjectives down below in the comment section. I really need some more amazingly good words for English to describe this place, really.
I'm feeling so hollow. Don't you know? Don't you know?
I always have to do something dumb, like climbing trees.
You a fool's gold. Yes, I did.
Soon it will be sunset and I want to catch it on a whole different beach. Now we are here. We're gonna go all the way down to ANSE Intendance. Hopefully we'll have good weather for the sunset. I already got lost twice. Oh my god, this road is so bad. Whoa! Cars! I see cars here. Ah, we found the beach. Yes! Like Mallorca here, yeah. We just crossed paths and this is a very nice sight, you gotta admit.
Yeah.
I'll just turn the camera so you can see guys. This place is the place to be. It's interesting to stay afloat on the water with the GoPro in one of the hands. You cannot compare it with anything else, and I don't want to stay the whole day at a hotel and just chill. I need movement, I need to go places. I mean, look at me, I have a towel, I have my stuff here with me, my GoPro, my shirt, my water. What else do you need for a perfect vacation? The sunset came. What a beauty, what a beauty, look at this. Today was an amazing day. It's ending up with the sunset, and I'm gonna end up my day with a workout at the beach. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and don't forget to click on the next video, the next episode of Seychelles, which will start from tomorrow. Thank you, and have a nice evening, day, sunset, morning, Sunday, whatever it is.